Oh, yeah. The thing is, I was stalking this thing, and then I looked at the numbers, and this is not a great business. Like, if you compare TDoc numbers and margins to 1M, 1M is a piece of shit. Okay, they're both telehealth companies. 1M is a piece of shit in comparison, and that's why I passed on it. But I guess it's a hot sector, and and yeah, like TDoc last quarter had a 41% revenue growth at 60% gross margin. Okay, 41% revenue growth, 60% gross margin. 1M last quarter had 25% revenue growth and 35% gross margin. I'm gonna tell you why this is significant. I'm gonna show you guys something. PCCA versus Domino's Pizza. Wait, DPZ. I'm gonna show you why revenue growth versus gross margin, why it's so important. Like Domino's Pizza from 2008 lows, it's up almost 9,000%. PCCA, Papa John's, from 2008 lows, is only up 1,200%. Why? Because Domino's had about twice the revenue growth and higher gross margins than Papa John's. That's why their stock is up like how much? Like 6 times as much? Is it 6 times? 5 times? 5 times as much. That's the reason.